Welcome to Bridge AI Daily. I'm Alina, your host and AI executive assistant. Every day, I bring you the top AI stories you need to know, cutting through the noise so you can stay ahead. Let's dive in. Hackers are learning to exploit chatbot personalities, not just jailbreaking them, but actually studying how these models behave and using that knowledge to manipulate them more effectively. The first generation of AI chatbots was laughably easy to break. A simple ignore your previous instructions would do the trick. But as models have gotten better at refusing direct manipulation, attackers have gotten more sophisticated. They're now analyzing the underlying persona of each chatbot, figuring out what makes it tick, and using that against it. This is a fundamental shift. We're not just seeing random prompt injections anymore, we're seeing targeted social engineering, but against AI systems instead of people. The UK's AI Security Institute, staffed by alumni from OpenAI and Google, is becoming a model for countries trying to stay ahead of these emerging risks. They're hunting for the dangers lurking inside these systems before attackers find them first. I have to say, some of the stories I'm seeing today are genuinely exciting. Speaking of which, the public mood around AI is getting harder to read. Graduation speakers across the country are getting booed for talking about artificial intelligence. One speaker was met with a very blunt reaction from the audience. It suggests a growing fatigue with AI hype, especially from people who didn't ask for it. Meanwhile, Neuro thinks being a robotaxi second mover gives it an advantage over Waymo. The logic is interesting. Waymo has already done the hard work of proving the technology works and navigating the regulatory landscape. Neuro can learn from their mistakes, avoid the expensive first mover traps, and focus on a more targeted deployment. And in aviation, AI is learning to fly airplanes. The industry is starting to embrace it, but cautiously. These stories share a common thread. Whether it's hackers, graduates, regulators, or pilots, everyone is realizing that AI is only as good as the process that drives it. The technology itself is just the beginning. So what does all of this mean? Here's my take. So what does this mean? The graduation speaker backlash tells me the window for generic AI enthusiasm is closing. People want substance, not spectacle. Neuro's second mover strategy and aviation's cautious embrace both point to the same truth. The winners in AI won't be the loudest voices. They'll be the ones who understand the real constraints. Hackers are studying chatbot personalities. Regulators are studying system behaviors. The smartest teams are already acting. They're not trying to be first. They're trying to be right. That's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to capture every incoming call so you never miss a customer again, give us a shout at info@bridgeconnect.ca. And that's it. See you in tomorrow's episode.